In this video, I'm going to show you how to make glass in any version of Minecraft. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go ahead and gather sand, which you could find naturally in any Minecraft world. There's typically beaches in Minecraft, and you guys could also find them in deserts. But you will also need 8 pieces of cobblestone, and that is because we need to go ahead and craft a furnace. To craft a furnace, we're going to be using a crafting table. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just put your cobblestone in a pattern that does look like this. And you basically want to leave the middle box empty, and then from there you are able to go ahead and craft a furnace. And from here, all you want to do is you want to place on your furnace. Then on top over here, you want to go ahead and place down your sand. And basically we're going to be smelting this sand, and then it is going to turn into glass. And now we need to go ahead and add a fuel source. Now this could be coal, charcoal, wood, or anything like that. And for this video, I'm going to be using coal over here. And now what it's going to do, it is going to go ahead and start smelting the sand, and eventually you should actually be able to see glass. So just wait a little bit. It is about to actually smelt the first piece of glass, and yep, here we are, guys. We actually do have our very first piece of glass over here, and we can go ahead and actually use it in our Minecraft worlds for any purpose, basically. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.